Hey alligators, what's up? It's Allie Hardesty, and today's video is going to be how to lose weight, how to get healthier, my diet slash workout routine, because a lot of you guys have been asking about it because I've been posting about it a little bit on Instagram, doing some fitness progress updates, etc. And I just want to talk about my journey, what's worked for me personally. I know that everybody's body is different, and if you're like me and you're kind of lazy and you don't have all the time in the world or the knowledge on how to be fit perfectly and what all those different terms mean that I still don't quite understand, percentage of fats, your BMI, all this stuff that honestly I think just overcomplicates it. For me personally, I like to make everything as simple as possible. That way it's very easy to follow and stay consistent. Consistency is key. And my weight has always fluctuated throughout my life. I would say a couple months ago was probably the biggest I've been in a long time. I've lost around 10 pounds in the past month and a half, and I really like where I'm at now. I just wasn't eating the healthiest. In college, it's really easy to do that because you basically try to eat whatever is cheapest and most convenient when you're trying to get a snack in between classes or you're just having a busy day and you're studying long hours. So this is just my honest advice. Everything I'm going to be saying in this video has worked so well for me, and it's happened for me pretty freaking fast and the right way. I am in no way starving my body. I've gotten some comments on that on Instagram, which I will touch on later in the video. But before really diving into this, I just want to give a huge shout out to Skinny Mint Tea. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I went ahead and tried out their tea. It is a 28-day detox, which means that you take a morning tea and then every other day you take a night tea, which is like the night cleanse. And it's only, I think, 2 calories. Is that what it is? Yeah, 2 calories for tea bag, which is crazy because when I start getting into calories and talking about food portions, I will say that the hardest thing for me to cut out, which took up the most calories, was definitely Starbucks or Dutch Bros coffee in the morning, because sometimes those drinks are like 400, 500 calories with the whipped cream and everything added. And this is literally 2 calories, and the morning one has caffeine, which is a freaking must. So what I do when I wake up is I just go over to my Keurig, I fill it with hot water, and I put one of these bad boys in there, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then drink it. It leaves my body feeling super refreshed, and it also kind of suppresses my appetite so I don't get super hungry in the mornings or throughout the day, because in my opinion, portion size is a huge factor when it comes to calorie restricting and eating the right things, etc., which again I will talk about later on in this video. As human beings, we tend to overeat a lot, which enlarges our stomach when it's actually like pretty freaking small. By doing this, I'm able to eat normal portion sizes and just feel full throughout the day consistently. Kind of the same effect as when you drink a lot of water, which you should also be doing. So yeah, I love their tea. It just gets rid of a lot of the impurities in your body that we inhale in the air and in our foods that are really bad for us, etc. I think it's good to have something like this that cleanses us naturally. So I highly recommend, if you guys are looking for a substitute for coffee in the morning, which is a ton of calories, especially if you go the Starbucks route, or if you're just looking for something a little extra to help you along this weight loss fitness journey. The link will be at the top of the description box below. I am a person who needs my caffeine in the morning, so this is what I do, and afterwards I hit the gym if there's a day where I don't have school. And when I do go, I usually don't spend a ton of time there. My workout routine is actually pretty simple, but before I touch on that, I just want to let you guys know that this is something I learned from my dad, and it's that if you